pain has ceased. This boy, though fatherless, should not be treated like a bastard. He will find love and lose it to Hades. He will fail to retrieve it.
Oh young maiden, you're so lovely. Will you spend the rest of your life with me? Tell me your name.
Orpheus, rumor says that your voice is sweet, like that the Muses. My name is Eurydice, daughter of Apollo, father in vanity, for perfecting his invention, Goliath. Hear your voice, sing to me, day and night, and shout in your pride. That I will be a boon to your seed. Eurydice, my sweet child, you are a fine young woman. I know that you should be a great wife for our king.
Make sure your wife does not pick the wild animal. Lucky don't be doing to her safely. Consort of Hades. She is interested in us. While she is away now, she allows the picking of all flowers, except the violets, because they are her favorites. He has set a serpent to this widow who don't take her flower.
Yes, I will not let her pick the violet.
Flowers are so lovely. I wish I could learn from the goddess of Persephone how to grow this beautiful flower.
Yes, they do, yeah.
Eurydice, what has happened? Serpent has pulled me up. I know. I was thinking.
Eurydice, don't leave me.
I'm sorry, Orpheus, but Eurydice has left us, meaning able to save the baby.
All because I have failed her to tell the danger.
Orpheus, revoke your promise. It is better to live in damnation than to make an impossible journey. And now go to Tartarus.
I must. A love without Eurydice may as well be death for me. I will journey to the land of death and bring her back from Hades. Finally, I found an entrance to the underworld, but I cannot open it.
We will take you to see Lord Hades.
Go.
Thank you.
How has gone the living come to me?
I am Orpheus. I have come here by the way of the western entrance. I have come here to free my wife, Eurydice.
The one who tried taking violets.
I failed to warn her. I'm sorry.
You sent her to an early death. You failed as a husband.
I must sympathize. So you want her back?
Please, my lord, don't give him any burdens.
No one has ever left without paying the price. I will let her go on in one condition.
Price.
I have your return.
I wanted to bring her back. I sent you in an early grave. I need to redeem myself and repay your father.
Really, my love, you really do this for me. I was fated to die that way. Nothing can sway the fates. Fate has had. I won't feel right among the living.
Challenge fate.
Please, no! My son, please, weep no more. The past is done.
Why?
Go.
Why was he so deserving such an unfaithful husband? I am unable to live any longer. Eurydice, death soon enough.
Sing and be gay. What don't fire stand? And that's in line.
Please leave me alone.
My good son-in-law, though in life I have cursed you now, I bless you. I feel great remorse for you. Let your voice ring ever true.
O my blessed daughter-in-law, let your soul rest in peace. It was by no fault or your own that died here. It is your spouse's wish to be buried at your side. And may you find Elysium, or come back to us, and find the eyes.
of blessing.
Orpheus and Eurydice! Orpheus and Eurydice!